So this is my second Oakley that I've ordered few parts, also rubber here, that over the years of course become like oil, back to oil, so you cannot use it anymore. So I did remove what I can, and I've ordered new one, and this model is 009263-01, and these were very expensive, by the way, cost me a lot. And I've also ordered lenses for these guys, so you can see maybe my previous video, this is the second time I'm doing it, just replacing the lenses. Okay, so it seems pretty easy. You just need to push it to this way, to the outside. Yeah, and it can go pretty easily. It's very easily if you push it from the upper side. And then you can see from my previous video, of course you want to clean it, so you can use like a ear cleaner or other stuff that you have. And I think maybe you can even use water, or maybe clean water, boiled water, that will not leave any mark on the lenses. Yeah, so do not save one cleaner for both lenses, and even I'm using few on the same lens, because of course after so many years I have it at least 8 years, I think, and they cost a lot. So why throw it if you can replace the lenses yourself? And also the rubber you can replace. Basically, you can replace what is needed. Okay, so now I want to clean the gloves that I'm using, and now we'll see what is going where. So this is going here. So maybe I will start from the upper side. No, I will start it should be exactly in its place, otherwise of course it will not fit. And the force that I need to use is a little too much, to my opinion, so I'm not sure that it exactly fit. But it did fit. Okay, I used a lot of force, but probably the way is to get to the correct angle. So it's a good point that if it enters a lot of force, so it will be in the correct place, and a lot of force will keep it in its correct place, basically. So the other lens was pretty easy to get in, so yeah. Not very complicated if I could do it. So basically I think anyone can do it. Of course, use correct material to clean it. Maybe it's not the best way what I'm doing without wetting it a little with something that fits to, you know, to lenses. I have some stuff for lenses, of course. You can use glass cleaning, something like this, to monitors, or they're all basically the same. And then you need to use some gentle paper that will not scratch the lenses, or you have the rubber paper that you get with some of the lenses. Yeah, if it is wet, so it will not scratch the lens. Yeah, I think it looks good now. Let me see how it looks. Wow, brand new, like brand new glasses. Yeah, brand new glasses. So it's worth trying to do it yourself before buying a new model. Thank you and bye.